All right, guys, you guys saw the title of the video. One of our vehicles is leaving the channel, unfortunately. And yes, it is the Jeep that I'm standing next to, our 2006 Jeep SRT8. For those of you guys that have been watching the channel, you guys know that I got the Jeep for winter driving and sold my beloved Mustang for it. And this has definitely helped me out in the winter, but now I don't really have to go in and work in the winter anymore. They just say work from home. So it's time for something maybe a little bit more fun and maybe a little more weekend car. We're gonna leave you guys in the dark a little bit until the next video to show you guys what we got. But yeah, this unfortunately is it for the Jeep SRT8. We had great times, got lots of videos. You guys love the Jeep, especially the review video that you guys loved. But yeah, I'm really excited to see what's coming for the channel. And it definitely is really sad to see the Jeep goodbye. This is probably one of the nicest conditions ones that I've seen. And I know you guys have enjoyed it, so hopefully you guys are excited for the next video, next car, and yeah, just like that, ABI out.